yourself, if ma-reach. If for the scapula, hindi mo ma-reach, pwede on your partners. See, again, you have the medial end or the sternal end of your clavicle. Trace, lateral, you have the lateral end or the acromion end of the clavicle. Then, the flattened surface would be your acromion process. If you trace that backwards, you would have the spine of the scapula. And then, medially, you have the medial border or the vertebral border of the scapula. And downwards, you have the inferior angle of the scapula. So, you can do paana sa yung patient. And then, so pwede nyo siya na, guys. Inferior angle, so you will have the medial border on your thumb, the lateral border or the axillary border on your other fingers. Okay? When palpating for the scapula. Then, for the humerus, go back to your acromion process. Below would be the head of the humerus. And then, place the index and the middle finger on the anterior portion and then slowly, internally, and externally rotate. So during internal rotation, you will have the greater tuberosity. During external rotation, you will have the lesser tuberosity. And midway, you have the intertubercular groove or the bicipital groove. And then below, you trace you will have the medial and lateral supracondylar ridges. And then, further pa down, you have the medial and lateral epicondyles of the humerus. So usually guys, remember mo pag kids, kanang anaan ninyo hang here. So over na siya sa imuhang medial epicondyle, and that's because of the nerve that passes there. So, may go siya yung ikaanan. Okay? And then, you have your, what's this?
Acromion.
You have the radial head or the head of the radius. Okay? Head of the radius on the sides. So, the head of the radius is below. Below siya sa imuhang lateral epicondyle. Okay? And then trace pa downward. If nagana ka, you will have the ulnar head. And then on the sides, you have the styloid process of the ulna. And then if you trace yung more dorsal, at the level, more or less at the level sa index, you have the Lister's tubercle. And then further at the sides, you will have the styloid process of the radius.